Hi guys, this is engineer Adi Bishop. Today we started to install the floor trusses for my project. The floor trusses you can see at 16 inches on center. Here it will set at the top of the beam for steel structure, and on the other side at the top of the LVLs. You can see here the LVLs at the top of the window opening, and here we have a framing, wood stud instead of metal stud. Here you can see the steel structure and the mason work. Here we have elevator rooms. You can see door frames set, and here today is a good day, so that means everything, the dimension is good because the floor trusses is perfect. You can see here it is attached to the I-beam, and here it is flush with the outside edge of the wall. And you can see here we will start to install the other one. Yeah. And that will take a couple days to finish everything. So this way, that's how we install it. You can see everyone wear a hard hat, safety first, and that's the project. That's how we install the flooring trusses and then the roof trusses at the second floor. This building is two-story. Here you can see the mason work, and here I have two plates over there and there to carry the LVLs. It will be from that plate to that I-beam. I have here door frames, a set, oil pour slab. You can see expansion paper and 2 inches of insulation. Here you can see the diamond around 5.5 inches HSS. Everything is done. Here we'll pour slab number 2. You can see I set the expansion paper around the diamond, and here also expansion paper, and here you can see the diamond brackets for expansion, diamond brackets, and that's slab number 2 after we put the slab number 1. Now you can see everything is great, measurement is perfect, center to center, great work. Thank you guys.